Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to add captions on Instagram Reels. So, you have to go for your plus icon, then if you go for next here and go for the sticker option. Hey friends. Okay, welcome back to my. Then you can't see any caption sticker here. So, all you need to do is go for your reel option and go for effects. Now search your captions. Now choose your captions from here. If I go for this comic caption, now you have to search here or you have to shoot here any captions or any video from here. Okay, then if I go for this, you have to, you can see captions are
Search
here,
or you have to shoot here.
then you have to just go for next, and now you can post your reel with captions. So this is how you can add captions on Instagram Reels. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.